couldn't get the money?
You see, they've not paid my father his pension money yet.
When will this poverty leave me alone? When?
The poverty will leave you very soon.
What is it? What is it? My mother is dying.
Obonna. Papa? Did you see any money in this bag?
Papa, which bag?
This very bag, this one.
No, Papa.
If I don't see this money, Obonna, you will never get anything from me. Not even my blessings.
My love, you stole your father's money because of me. I'm sorry I put you into trouble.
Drink it. Drink it and end your life. Your life is useless. Drink it. You're already cursed. Drink it. Don't drink it. I didn't mean it.
Abunige,
Papa?
I will have to wait for you to finish eating before you tell me who the young woman is.
Oh, Papa, her name is Jim, my colleague at work.
Oh.
Anyway, she's from Umunaka.
What? She's from Umunaka. You must not be here. You better go. Wait. What nonsense? Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Why did you do such crazy? Will you shut? If you will be wise enough to shut up and listen, then I will talk to you. Listen, Obadike. You must get rid of her from your mind. Papa, it's not about the interest of Chinwe. It is all about the interest of this village. Papa, this will literally put us back to an evil old days. I am surprised that you are the only one who sees this from a different perspective. Do you know the implication of what they did? They killed an innocent son of this land, your cousin. And so what, Papa? And so what?
Since you came back, you have been crying your eyes out. Can you please tell me what the problem is?
Don't think that what we did was a mere stunt. It wasn't. And don't think of having anything to do with them. Because if you do, you will be met with misfortune.
Baby, stop it! What is it?
What happened to you? What? Uncle, this is my woman.
The one from Munaka?
Yes. What happened to you?
No, I don't know, baby.
Hey, come back! You want to kill yourself? You want to kill yourself?
Chinwendo. So you want to kill yourself? You want to kill yourself, Chinwendo?
So she's your daughter. Take her home and tell her that she cannot use what is meant for the ear to clear the eye. Let us go, let us go.
Chinwendo.
Let us go.
Stand up.
She's not meant for you.
Stand up, let's go.
Let us go.
She's not meant for you. This young man here is not meant for you. Stand up.
She's not meant for you. Let us go.
Stand up.
She's not meant for you. Let us go.
Let us go. Please don't.
Let us go.
No, Uncle, please.
Papa, leave me alone.
Why do we have to go through this?
Uncle, please come back. It's okay. Don't worry.
My daughter, we tried pleading with them, but they refused. We tried making peace, but they went that far.
But Papa, let me ask. When all these things were happening, where was the police force?
It happened so fast. We were only trying making sure that our daughter wasn't killed for nothing.
I understand. And why trying to make sure that your daughter wasn't killed for nothing? You, the elders of this land, decided to take laws into your hands. I mean, who does that? How could you, Papa?
My daughter, I have never been involved in a thing like this. I do not know how this water got over my ankle and to my neck.
I don't want to know whether I got to your ankle or I got to your neck. But whatever it is that the people of Umulede are planning, I will have you know that it will never stop me from marrying the man I love.
Chinwe.
Papa.
Chinwe.
Papa.
Please, do not add more problem to the present one. Forget that boy. Forget that young man and save your life. Please. I heard they killed a black goat at the boundary in the middle of the night. And that is potent. And it could be dangerous. Please.
Danger, Papa. And who cares if they killed an animal or not? I have said it before and I am saying it again. Whatever it is that you people are planning, it will not stop me from marrying the man that I love. And this is final.
I know I've told you this before, but I'm going to say it again. I love you. I love you with all my heart, and I do not see a future without you in it. But the big question is, what do we do?
My love, I'm just confused. So confused.
Honey, please, let us go back. Let's go back to the city and stay there and live our lives the way we used to be, please.
But baby, it will still not end there. Let's face it here once and for all in this village. Please.
Yeah, I've been thinking. Why don't you go and see Father Peter?
Will he be of help?
I don't know. I don't know. I just want us to explore all the options we have. Let's just go and see him, please.
All right. See you there today.
Thank you. I love you. We don't
battle of love, a very big wahala. No one go fight for your love. Battle of love, a very big wahala.
Obunike, welcome. As a matter of fact,
Chinwe has told me everything that happened. I tried coming in when the whole thing was messed up, but it became messier.
Honestly, Father, we need your help. We really need your help. You know, Father, we've come a long way, and this whole thing is about to tear us apart. Please help us, please.
We have to ask God set here. with the way this is going, I am afraid your people are not ready for peace.
Father, is there a way you can join us together? Can you join us together as husband and wife?
You know that is impossible without the consent of your parents. We have to make peace first, cleanse the land, and then you can get married.
But Father, we cannot wait for all that to happen. And like you rightly said, our parents are not ready.
God will handle this matter. Okay? God will handle this matter. I will also visit some prominent men from this town who live in the city to do something about it.
Really, Father? Yes. Father, please, is there a way you can make that very fast?
Don't worry. I will do something about that. But is there anything you're not telling me? I mean, the both of you are not telling me.
Honey, at this point, I think we need to seek other means.
Yes, you're right. We just have to do what makes us happy. Seriously, that's what matters now.
Yes, baby. We have to.
Oh, it's not easy. It's not easy.
May the peace of the Lord be unto you.
Amen. Father, there is something I want to say before you proceed.
What is it?
I don't want you to see it as an insult, but I have money walk up. If you gathered us here to talk about peace, Bigo, Jide, we are not interested.
Yes. Forget about peace. We cannot talk about peace. Yes. There can be no peace. This generation cannot talk about peace. Forget about peace.
You should think about tomorrow. You should think about the future of your children.
Even our children's children cannot undo what has been done.
My friend Ibe.
Amadi, you have visited your tongue. When we came to your house to plead with you, did you not tell us we were talking Yayampo? I cannot be your friend. Idiot.
Baby, I see they have nothing important to say. Let's go. Let's go.
The devil has hardened their hearts, but God never sleeps nor slumber. The Almighty God that we serve will surely come to our aid. Yes.
Papa, I've been thinking.
You've been thinking. You're free to think. You're a human being. But I hope you're not thinking about how to tell me to allow you marry that girl from Umaka. If that is what is on your mind, better get rid of it because it's an impossibility.
Papa, that same girl you despise is pregnant for me.
What?
Yes.
Oh, no. It's not possible. Don't tell me you're serious.
Papa, I'm serious. And that is the reason we came back to perform the marriage rites and pay the bride price as well.
Obuniga, I see you're being clever here. But let me tell you, it won't work. You will never marry that girl.
And what about my child? No, what about my child? Papa, you of all people should know that it is a bigger taboo in this village for me to abandon my child. I cannot. Papa, the deed is done. Can we just move on? Please.
Obuniga, go inside. I said get inside.
We are not saying anything. What is the problem?
Dede, there is trouble in my household.
What exactly happened?
That girl from Umunaka is pregnant for my son, Obunike.
Eh? What? Who told you that?
My son did.
I'm sure he's joking.
No, he's not. He's not. Obunike is not a boy of many words. I know when he's telling the truth.
Are you sure he's not saying this just to...
Not at all. He's not saying it to confuse us. I overheard him telling his sister that he's expecting a child in 7 months.
This is trouble.
And that is why I've come. What do we do?
Hey. You and I know that no child from Umunide will be allowed to stay in another land as long as the father is known.
I'm thinking. I am thinking.
Please, don't do anything stupid.
But that's the only way out. Yes.
We cannot shed blood.
But we have to save our faces.
Listen to me. Blood matters more than that.
Dede,
yes.
We cannot afford to make peace with Umunaka.
I am not telling you that we will go and make peace with them. No.
So, what do we do?
We need time to think about this.
Time?
Yes.
You said time?
Yes.
Dede, there is no time. We are talking about my son's seed. My blood. Our forefathers will not forgive me if I fail to do something.
This is the more reason you should not do what you have in your mind. Do you mind shedding your own blood? The baby in that womb might be our father or our grandfather.
Hey! Oh, Obunike has finished me.
It is all right. Just calm down. Calm down. We will do something about it. Okay? We will do something about it.
We shouldn't have come back to this village. I think it was a mistake. We shouldn't have come back here. Maybe we would have stayed back in Lagos. Probably had a court wedding and be at peace with our lives. You're not saying anything.
Baby, what do you have me say? Tell me. I mean, I'm tired of talking. Okay, maybe we should just...
We should just do what? No, we should just do what? Talk to me. Are you on the side of your people now? Have you given up on us? I am asking you, have you given up on us? Please don't let all this tear us apart. Don't let it take away this beautiful love we share. Please.
Look, babe. Okay, I've never been this confused in my entire life. I don't just know what to do. Seriously, I'm confused.
I know what to do.
What?
We'll go and see Neo Mongo.
Neo, and hold on, who's that?
She's a seer.
No. Wait, a soothsayer?
I did not say she's a soothsayer. I said she is a seer. And she used to be a friend to my mother.
Look, babe, alright, I don't want to have anything to do with any native doctor or any witch doctor whatsoever, please.
And she's talking about a native doctor or a witch doctor. She is just a seer. Or don't you want a solution to our problems?
have the eyes of your mother. I knew you grow into a beautiful woman. I knew you would be here this day.
I was going to your house.
He's almost giving up. They used the blood of a black goat.
You knew about it.
Only the blood can break it. Are you ready?
Tell me what I must do, and I will do it as quickly as I can.
Blood goes for blood.
Sorry, Mogo, please, thank you, but we don't want to involve ourselves in such acts.
What acts? Go if you are not ready.
No, Mogo, please. Please. I am at the verge of drowning. This river of hate and vengeance is about to drown me. Give me a solution. Provide me with a solution.
Stand up, my daughter. Stand up. Go to the boundary between Umunaka and Umunidi in the middle of the night. Draw a line. Stand before the lines. Cut your palm. Make sure your blood drops on the ground. Then you can break every pronouncement they have made in that boundary by the words of your tongue. The blood of a goat can do it.
No, sorry, wait. We were not there when they made the pronouncement, so what do we say? We don't know what to say.
What you will say will come to your mind when you get there. When you are done, kill a black goat. Leave without looking back.
Balomo, thank you.
I mean, I'm not fine, no.
Hasn't he returned?
No. Papa, it's better we go and look for him. Because me, I don't want anything to happen to my brother.
Yeah, he will come back. Oh, give me food.
Give me food.
Come back here.
Where have you been? And where did you spend the night?
Papa, may I remind you that I'm an adult, and I can spend my night wherever I choose to.
I see you have grown wings, but I will clip those wings of yours. We need to talk.
I'm all ears. I'm listening.
Go and tell that girl from Umunak that you will not marry her. By the time she delivers the child, we will come for it.
And Papa, if I cannot marry that girl, the child remains with her, period.
A child of Umunide cannot be raised like that. Don't you know the implication?
Yes. Death or madness. And Papa, let me remind you that if I ever die, my blood remains on your head. Okay? Let me make this clear to you. Chinwe swore for me never to set my eyes on that child if I don't get married to her. So get ready to bury me.
This is turning out the way I don't expect it. Our ancestors will punish us if it happens.
And we will get a greater punishment if we leak our spittle by denouncing our pronouncement. Hey!
We will sleep over it.
Oh, the Dikeh! I will kill that girl!
No. No. You will not kill her. I have told you to remove this thought from your head. That girl is carrying your blood in her womb. It could be our father coming back.
This young man here is not meant for you.
You, the elders of this land, decided to take laws into your hands. I mean, who does that? I have said it before, and I am saying it again. Whatever it is that you people are planning, it will not stop me from marrying the man that I love. And this is final.
With the way this is going, I am afraid your people are not ready for peace.
We just have to do what makes us happy.
If you gathered us here to talk about peace, Bigo, Judea, we are not interested.
Yes.
That's
The last time girl you despise is pregnant for me.
What?
Yes.
Oh no. It's not possible.
And what about my child? No, what about my child? Papa, you of all people should know that it is a bigger taboo in this village for me to abandon my child.
Don't do anything stupid.
That's the only way out.
Yes, we cannot shed blood.
But we have to save our faces.
Are you on the side of your people now? Have you given up on us? I am asking you, have you given up on us? Are you ready? Tell me what I must do, and I will do it as quickly as I can.
Hasn't he returned?
No. Papa, it's better we go and look for him. Because me, I don't want anything to happen to my brother.
Where have you been? And where did you spend the night?
Papa, may I remind you that I'm an adult, and I can spend my night wherever I choose to.
I see you have grown wings, but I will clip those wings of yours.
Let me make this clear to you. Chinwe swore for me never to set my eyes on that child if I don't get married to her. So get ready to bury me.
Oh, the Dikeh! I will kill that girl!
No.
Informer. Yes, how are you?
I'm fine.
Please get me some warm water for bathing.
Why won't I put your hand?
Get me some warm water for bathing, fast.
We have to meet with the rest of Umuna to fix a date for the burial.
You're right. But the question is, who do we bury first? Who am I seeing? And where are you going, you wolf in sheep clothing?
I have come to ask for his forgiveness.
What is she talking about?
Stop there! Stop right there! Ekwensu,
Listen, we will never forgive you. It will never happen.
It is left for Ogbonna to forgive her.
Oh, Father, why are you talking like this?
I'm so sorry for everything I put you through. I'm sorry, please forgive me. I'm sorry. Please.
What's this?
I'm forgiving you.
Somebody who get out. Let's go inside. No, let's go inside. Because you are shedding crocodile tears.
It's okay. It's all right. It's all right. Don't worry. I will talk to them, okay? I will talk to them. All right?
No one go fight for your love. Battle of love. Up a very big wahala. Cause no one go fight for your love. Remember how we used to play. Where are you? Love more. Remember the promise you gave me. Where are you? Love ma, Arapuanama, my darling, Magira Pupama, Nkema Pupa. Don't leave me alone, oh my love. If you leave me, I go down. Battle of love, a very big wahala. No one go fight for your love. Battle of love. Up a very big wahala, cause no one go fight for your love. Remember how we used to play. Where are you? Love more.
Umunaka kwenu? Yeah. Kwenu? Yeah. Where's one? Yeah. Umunide kwenu? Yeah. Kwenu? Yeah. Where's one? Today is a very significant day in our lives. It is a day of joy that we have gathered to eat and drink. It is also a day that avails us the opportunity to look backwards in time and reflect on the past. It gladdens my heart that the fracas that existed among us has finally vanished like a mirage. And love has brought us peace and unity. Yeah. Yeah. What's one?
One again, you talking too much. Let them bring our wife to come and greet us.
Chinwendo! Chinwendo! Come.
Yes, this is supreme. Hey! Asampete. Okay. Asamwa. Oh. Aha. Why malum ya? Eme ife bes. Ife bakal. Hey. Ome. Ichi. Ome. Ya buri ife bukane.
Show us your husband.
See how they really
Battle of love, up a very big wahala, 'cause now